Welcome back to Songwryte. As I said in a previous video, in this video we're going to talk about the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is a very important part of the song because it serves as a launch for the chorus. So after the verse, you can find the pre-choruses in countless songs, and it's a very useful tool that you can use to improve and get more effective songwriting. So you can use it to give more color to your song. In the song we're going to listen to, the pre-chorus is used in a brilliant way because it serves as a pre-chorus, of course, and also as a post-solo, so it's quasi-special, and as an outro. With the first two chords of the pre-chorus, you will find the end of the song, so the outro. This song I'm talking about is Drive by Incubus, written in 1999. It's a very brilliant song. Moreover, in this song you have the same harmony for the verse and for the chorus. So the only part which is different is the pre-chorus, where you find other kinds of chords and another harmony, but you wouldn't tell that the chorus and the verse have the same harmony because it's a very well written song. So I don't want to speak too much about it. I just want you to listen to the song, and you will of course read all the tags during the part of the songs, so you will know which part of the song we're listening to. So now we're ready, and let's listen to Drive by Incubus.
Feel the fear of the uncertainty stinging clear, and I can't help but ask myself how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer. It's driven me before, and it seems to have a vague, haunted mess of
So as you had the chance to listen, in this song the pre-chorus is very well written and it does a fantastic work for the song. This song is one of the first songs that came on my mind when I was looking for a song with a good pre-chorus and a very effective pre-chorus. If you did enjoy the video, hit on the like and subscribe and hit on the bell so you can know when I upload new things. And as I told you in the previous video, in the next video I'm going to write a bad song from the song form perspective and rewrite it and fix it, get it better according to the principles of the song form. So I will try to make a better song using the song form principles. So you will see during the video a bad song, a process to improve it, and finally a good song, I hope, always. Okay, for this video is everything. I wish you a very good day. Stay creative, stay productive. Ciao.